You use the source assignments to allocate different types of costs to different receivers. In the example, all material costs have been settled to one receiver order, but the personnel costs have been split up and settled into two receiver cost centers. You do not need a source structure to settle all your cost elements according to the same rules. To use the source structure that you defined in customizing, enter the source structure in the settlement parameters of the order master record. Once you have made your selection, an additional column, Origin Settlement, is displayed in the settlement rule. This allows you to enter a source assignment for each distribution rule and establish a different receiver for each source assignment.
The concept of the PA transfer structure is similar to the concept of the allocation structure. The input side consists of cost element intervals. The settlement side connects the cost element intervals with the value fields in COPA. This is particularly important if you have orders with revenues and want to settle them to COPA by using costing-based profitability analysis. Instead of manually creating a settlement rule in each order and then settling it, define a single settlement rule in customizing that automatically creates the settlement rule for each order when you make a settlement. Use the following possibilities to create a settlement rule. Use the standard strategy sequences. Create your own standard strategy sequences. Use user exits. Create a single automatic settlement rule for one order type. The advantage of this tool is that you save the time of manually maintaining settlement rules.
Settle costs from one order to another and thereby enter information at various summarization levels. As illustrated in the example shown in the figure, you use orders to collect costs for individual repair and maintenance activities. These orders are settled to the turbine and cooling unit orders to receive summarized information about the repair and maintenance costs of this machine. Settle the machine orders to a final power station order to view the total repair and maintenance costs for the location. Use collective processing to process this group of related orders in the same settlement run. You must settle the orders in the correct sequence to ensure that system settles all the orders completely. To accomplish complete settlement, the system determines a settlement hierarchy. During order settlement, you can enter a posting period that differs from the settlement period. This means that you can correct settlements from the previous period after they have been closed and locked and post the correction in the current period. To do this, enter the period to be corrected in the settlement period field. The posting period is the period in which you post the correction. The posting period must be the period immediately after the correction period. Run the correction settlement prior to making settlements in the posting period. The system will not allow you to enter a posting period that has already been settled. If you need to correct a settlement for a previous period after you have already made settlements in the posting period, you must first reverse all the settlements in the posting period. The settlement period and posting period must be within the same fiscal year. Settlement corrections are possible in both individual and collective processing.